All right, so now that we've been practicing identifying adjectives, what type of adjectives they are, and the nouns that they're describing, we're going to look at sometimes the adjective actually doesn't come right after or right before the noun it is describing. So let's look at some of those examples here. So the lesson says an adjective does not always come before the noun or pronoun it describes. An adjective can also follow a linking verb, such as any form of be. It can describe the smell, feel, taste, look, and sound. Also what we call our five senses, right? Our sense of smell, our sense of taste, our sense of sight, our sense of sound, and our sense of feel. So we look at the examples down below here. Linda is talented at art. What word describes Linda? Linda is our subject. Linda is talented. So it's actually going backwards here, right? It's after the noun instead of in front of the noun. Another example, Oscar feels tired of drawing. What word describes how Oscar is feeling? Oscar is feeling tired. The next example, the new book looks wonderful. Okay, so we're describing the book as new, but we're also saying that it's wonderful. Both of those words describe the noun book. So let's look at some examples down below here. For each sentence, you're going to identify the adjective and then the noun or pronoun it describes. So Sarah is excited about creating illustrations to help the story in her comic book. So yes, comic describes the type of book. However, we're looking for those linking verbs. Is, am, are, was, were. Okay, linking verbs. There are 23. Am, is, are, was, and were, being, been, and be, have, has, had, do, does, did. All right, if you remember that song from last year. So we're looking for those linking verbs. So Sarah is excited. What word describes Sarah? Excited. So we would actually put excited here. And what is describing? What are we describing as excited? We're describing Sarah as excited. That can be kind of tricky. Let's look at the next one together. After leaving his favorite comic in the rain, Leo felt unhappy. After leaving his favorite comic in the rain, Leo felt unhappy. Okay, so what word is describing something in this sentence? So the pronoun is his. What is describing his? His favorite what? His favorite comic. So favorite would describe here. Also, Leo felt unhappy. How did Leo feel? He felt unhappy. Unhappy describes Leo. Leo, oops, backwards. Unhappy, and then describes Leo. You will continue to do this for numbers 3 through 8. If you have any questions, please let me know.